Have you ever heard of AWS SQS?
Yes, I have. It's a messaging queue service that enables efficient decoupling of applications and offloading compute processing without compromising overall system performance.
That's right. Did you know that SQS provides a robust and scalable message queuing system, which is crucial for many businesses?
Definitely. It's essential for companies that need to process a large volume of messages or events.
What are the key features of AWS SQS?
Some of the essential features are message size, retention period, and visibility timeout. You can also configure dead letter queues to handle messages that have failed to process.
That's interesting. How do you integrate SQS with other AWS services?
You can integrate SQS with other AWS services like SNS, Simple Notification Service, as a potential publisher. You can also use SNS to publish messages to SQS queues.
How do you create an SQS queue?
You can create a standard SQS queue using the AWS console. You'll need to specify essential configurations like message size, retention period, and visibility timeout.
That's helpful. How do you publish and receive messages from an SQS queue?
You can publish messages directly from the AWS console and receive them by pulling the queue. You can also view message details like unique identifiers and message attributes.
What about troubleshooting?
You can simulate message processing failure using the poll message function and observe how messages exceeding the max receives count transition to the dead letter queue.
That's a great overview of AWS SQS. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome. It's an essential service that can enhance system performance and scalability.